Hi, Team WWE15 here. In this video I'm unboxing a package from WWEshop.com. And here is the package. This took me about a week to get, and you will see what items I got when I open this. So, I'm now going to open this. And that tape's not gonna rip, so I will use scissors. This is hard to open. Okay, so I got the package open. And there's some stuff in here. Okay, so there's some papers in there that had information on them. And here's what I got. I got this, the February 2013 WWE magazine. So I got that. I also got this, John Cena Salute the C Nation pendant. I will open that so you can see what it looks like. It's in bubble wrap. Okay, so here is the pendant. It's on a ball chain. Here's the pendant. Here's the back. So, here's the pendant. And I also got two shirts. Here's the first shirt, CM Punk Best in the World shirt. And I wanted this shirt for a long time. Back in 2011 when CM Punk debuted this shirt, and I never got it, and they finally got him in again. So I kept holding it off, I never got it, and I finally decided to get this. So, here's this shirt. Here's the shirt. There's a authentic wear patch. And this is extra large. This also has the black. And on the back, this shirt says CM Punk Best in the World. So, this is the CM Punk Best in the World shirt. This is a authentic shirt. It has the patch on it, like I said. So there's that. Just organizing this. Okay, so that's the 3 items. I also got one more item. And this shirt is a shirt that I've been wanting for a long time, probably since around 2008, when I first started getting into wrestling a lot. And that shirt is a neat shirt I actually really like. The John Cena 8-bit shirt. It's a neat shirt, it's like video game style. I'll show you that. This is a authentic shirt also, but this one does not have the patch on it. And here's this one. And they got these in again in 2012 because of John Cena's 10th year with WWE, so they got a lot of his shirts from that he wore in the past, and this was one of them. And they were out of this years ago when I wanted it, but I never ordered it. Then last year they got it. Never got it because they were out. Now they finally got this one in too, so I got 2 shirts that I have been wanting for a while. So here's the shirt. I like that picture on this. And this is also extra large, and no authentic wear patch on this one. Now I will show you the back. And here is the back. Okay, so these are the two shirts. Get that box out here. So in this video, I unboxed a package from www.shop.com, and what I got in that package was a February 2013 WWE magazine, a John Cena Salute the Nation pendant, a CM Punk Best in the World t-shirt, and a John Cena 8-bit t-shirt, both authentic wear. Thank you for watching. Bye.